welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today is the day I'm going to be putting up my Christmas tree. So I need to go to Deal's and get some baubles because I don't... What's wrong with this blind? Go up. Why won't that go up? I don't know. Anyway, I don't think I have enough baubles for my Christmas tree. So I'm going to go to Deal's and get some. And I also want to get some ribbon. So I'm thinking like a gold and red theme. That's what I'm thinking. That's what John and I have kind of discussed. So I want to get some ribbons and baubles and all that jazz. And want to do up the Christmas tree. I'm watching Friends currently. Netflix, Friends, life. Everything about it, love it. So I am excited to start decorating the tree. I'm so excited that we're on day 2. I'm so excited that today is actually officially the beginning of December. Obviously it'll be like the 2nd of December by the time you see this, but we are in Christmas season, Christmas month. This is just exciting. 24 days until the big day. Like, I can't believe it. Like, how has that happened? It's epic. Epicness to the max. So I'm gonna get myself ready, organized, and go into town, and then I have a couple of videos that I want to film when I get home here. And do you know what? The main channel is going to be extremely busy this month. I don't even care. All the vlogs, all of my beauty content, nutrition videos, everything are all going up on the main channel. It's going to be fun. It's going to be epic. It's going to be fun. I'm excited. So I'm just going to go and get the baubles that I want and like start decorating the tree. Won't be able to do it till this evening because the tree is actually in the boot of John's car, but that's okay. That's okay. We can decorate it when he comes home. So I am dressed and I'm ready to go. I'll show you what I'm wearing because it's not very exciting, but kind of a little bit Christmassy. I'm wearing little tartan pants, Christmassy tartan pants, woohoo, and then an oversized jumper, and I'm gonna wear my big fluffy teddy jacket, my black one. I'm not putting any makeup on today because of my sad little eyebrow, and I don't want to, I don't know, annoy it or irritate it when I'm taking makeup off later tonight. So we're gonna go to Deal's and see do they have any red baubles and gold baubles, and I'm looking for kind of like cute things that you would put on the tree, obviously like ribbon, like little ornaments, stuff like that, whatever we can get our hands on. And if we can't do well in Deal's, we'll just rotate around and we'll go to like different stores until we get what we're looking for. Ran into Deal's. Honestly, there wasn't that much to see in there. I thought the selection of Christmas stuff was a bit poor. I didn't see anything that I really wanted, so you didn't miss out. I'm in traffic at the moment. I'm going to my next stop, which I think is going to be Dunn's, and see what we can get in there. So yeah, like I said, not very exciting in Deal's. I did get a couple of baubles, so we're going with like a gold and red theme. It'll be all mismatch over the years, you know, like how you collect baubles and stuff. But I obviously didn't have any baubles, so we're starting off with red and gold, and then like I said, over the years I'm sure we'll collect different types of ornaments. And I got John an ornament in pennies the other day, so I want to give that to him as well to hang on the tree. It's a little suitcase because obviously we're going to be doing a bit of traveling and stuff, and we've already done some traveling together, and I just think traveling, packing your bags, heading off is a great kind of thing to have in the near future. So like I said, we're going off in January as well to Amsterdam, so I got him a little suitcase for the Christmas tree, and it's red. I'm actually really tired today. We didn't go to bed till like 11:30 last night, and I had like such a busy day. Maybe it was midnight. My parents were over as well, so I'm not really sure exactly what time I was in bed at, but I'm knackered today. I was up super early yesterday. I think I was up at like 7, which you guys are probably like, oh, that's a normal morning for me, but I don't get up at 7 normally. I am a night owl, big time, big time night owl. Early bird is not my forte, so when I get up really early, I feel so tired, even though I get the most out of the day, but I feel really tired. What on earth is this individual at? Oh my god, the way people drive, it just scares me sometimes. And I don't know, I don't know, I don't want to even like remark on the way people drive, because it's just not normal by times, and it scares me. I also need to call into my storage unit at some stage this week, because I need to pick up loads of makeup products that I want to use. And it's so funny because like they've been stored there for the last year in like really cold temperatures, like not obviously like freezing, it's not like freezer, but it's colder, like it's pretty cold, like they've been stored at like between 0 and 3 degrees. And I was worried like that my makeup might expire and stuff like that, but lots of people had said to me, like in my real life and stuff, that they should be fine because they're stored there. But they've been stored for a whole year. Like I've been dipping in and out of the makeup and stuff and bringing stuff down to it and taking stuff out of it, but it's just like they're sitting there, and it kind of makes me think, and I even said it to Dave yesterday, I was like, I kind of want to start like decluttering makeup, or giving it to people who might, you know, like friends and family who might use it. And I've said it before about decluttering and stuff and filming a decluttering video, but I really need to get on that, because it would just be great for me, and you know, to declutter some aspects of makeup out of my life, and then also be great for maybe people who, friends and family who might want new makeup products, you know. So we're at Dunn's now, and I'm gonna park, and there's nowhere to park. Why is it so crazy? I know it's Saturday, it's the 1st of December, but it is just chockers here, like chockers. Where am I gonna park, guys? This is crazy. I am asking the universe for a spot, and they're going to give me one, so think positively. Ah, there's one. Okay, so I'm done. I got what I wanted. I went to an art and hobby craft shop and got red and gold, what's it called? Red and gold ribbon. That's what I wanted for the tree. So I'm pretty much done shopping. So I think I want to go home, like to my home house, and see my sister, because I just want to catch up with her. I've spoken to her in a few days, so I want to go catch up with her, see what she's up to, catch up with my parents as well, even though I saw them last night, but still, it's nice to catch up with everyone. Where is my phone? Because I want to put on Christmas FM. Why not? I mean, it is the 1st of December. Wow, these glasses are filthy. I need to clean them first. There's an eyelash tip to it. Sad little eyelash. Oh wow. Oh my god, John just texted me really good news. A friend of his was going for the guards, and he just passed his fitness test, and that is like such great news. Oh my god, so happy for him. Okay, so there's Christmas FM. Let's tune into it and listen. I need to put in my frequency. I don't even know if this is gonna work. My bloody car has no aerial, so that's what I have to listen to. Static, but I can listen to it on the app and just plug it into my connector thing that I have here for the radio. I'm real cool like that, and it doesn't even have Bluetooth, my old radio. Yay! Enough of the craziness. Let's go home and see the fam and see how everyone is. There's a person parking in a yellow box. Wow, it's like I'm attracting people like that into my life, like seeing people park in yellow boxes now, because I had my like rant the other day. I will chat to you guys in a little bit, because I'm gonna concentrate on driving. Hello, Thumper. Hi, Thumper. How is my little Thumper? This is my auntie's cat. He's so cute. This is actually my old cat, Harley. This is his older brother, Thumper. You're the cutest little boy ever. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, that's a big stretch. Yeah. You're so cute. A cutie patootie. Yes, you are. You're a cutie patootie. Chewy's so cute. You're so cute. Oh, I love the new carpet. Nice new carpets, Chewy. Chewy, do you like the new carpets? Do you like the new carpets? They're so nice. Chewy, do you like the new carpets? Yes, you do. You love the new carpets. So nice new carpets that you blend into. Lovely boy. I got a package, if it will focus, from Glossy Box. How exciting. I wonder what's in it. Let's open it. All I want. Oh, look, it's so exciting. Glossy Box. Oops, just threw that on the ground. Let's see what's inside here. You know what, I'm going to bring this home and I'm going to look through it properly because obviously I'm over with my family. So what I'm going to do is I will go through everything in the Glossy Box and we will like dissect it all when we get home. Okay, so currently this is the mess that I'm looking at on my kitchen table because I'm going through packages and stuff that I've kind of like left to one side that I think would be good for videos, and I'm going through them right now, which is fun to say the least. Glossybox sent me this out like in November and I want to open it for you guys to have a look at what's in here and try and do a full face using advent calendar. I've seen loads of people do it on YouTube and I just thought it'd be really, really fun. So when you open this, obviously it has days 1 to 25. So I think what I might do is I'm gonna film this and unbox everything and like then add that snippet into the day, if that makes any sense, that we're opening it. So day 1, I'll put it into Vlogmas day 1, or well, we've already done Vlogmas day 1, so I'll open that today, and then day 2 obviously be Vlogmas day 2, and I'll open all of these all the way up till Christmas Eve. But I will open them all in one video, but you won't see it until the actual day, if that makes any sense, because I want to do the video like trying on the product, but obviously I need to unbox them and open them, so I want to kind of have my reaction organic to what's in here. So I hope you guys will like that idea and you'll still get to see what's in each thing every day, if that makes sense. Next thing is these 3 palettes you would have seen already in a different video. These are all from Beauty Bay. I'm really excited to try these out on my channel as well. And in here I have Penny's stuff that I want to feature in a Penny's video, including like beauty sponges and God only knows what's in here. There's blushes and stuff, so I want to include them all in a video, and a lipstick for you guys. And then the pretty little thing makeup as well, that will be included in a video also. In this bag I have all Wet n Wild stuff that's going into a dedicated Wet n Wild video. There's a lot of stuff. Ooh! And my duo glue, oh my god, so happy when I find things like that. Happy out. So I need to go through all that stuff. I have no idea what's in there, and also there's stuff I'll probably have to add to it. There's a beauty sponge in there, concealers and liquid lipsticks and all sorts of things, so that will be coming in a video soon too. In here I have Miss Lynn products, so these are obviously going to go in a dedicated like one brand tutorial, which is Miss Lynn, and there's loads of things in there, so we will include that in a video also. Okay, and these are the other Wet n Wild stuff that is going into a Wet n Wild video, so we have a lot of Wet n Wild stuff for one video. It's going to be cray. Hey guys, so sorry it's really dark. Obviously I have been out all day and it's now like nighttime, so I'm just after getting home and I'm gonna go in to John, obviously he's home, and I'm gonna put on a frozen pizza because I really don't feel like cooking. I feel like something really quick and easy, and I think I'm gonna finish the vlog here now guys, because I'm not gonna get to do the tree tonight and I'm not gonna get to do any of the stuff that I wanted to. The day has just escaped me and it's like 8 o'clock now, so I want to go in, spend some time with him, have something to eat, and then I also want to kind of relax and watch a movie and stuff. So I'm gonna end Vlogmas day 2 right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really enjoyed filming it. I'm really looking forward to this whole entire Vlogmas. It's going to be just epicness. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to all of you in tomorrow's vlog. Love you guys.